again. I'm sorry there was some connection problem due to which this thing ended. Now, what are the knowledge sources? See, everybody has different ideas of how the tarot talent comes. Some say it comes intuitively. Some say it's because of the layout of the cards. Some say the spreads are very important. The best thing is people say the question you ask is a very important thing. Because the questions in tarot have to be very specific. The tarot questions need to be very specific when you are asking the cards for anything. And to be a tarot reader, some say just take a deck of cards and learn it. And learn the meanings of the cards. They're all available all over the internet, and then you can use them. Some say no. The tarot readers are intuitive people who, besides reading the cards, also give their intuition or their intuitive answers. And some say no. The decks are very powerful, so that when you take advice from the cards guide you well. Well, the best part is, the thing is, the results are that it should work for you. Whatever way you do it. Sometimes the tarot reader can be intuitive, sometimes the cards can this thing. But it is finally that the person gives you the best results. So the person who is reading the tarot cards for you has to be good at his or work. Now, why would you use tarot? I mean, there are many other ways where, you can this thing. Why does a person generally use tarot? See, tarot cards are tools of divination, okay? Tarot cards are tools of divination which help you, which guide you for self-analysis. The cards, they will guide you for self-analysis. However, you should not take them, like you should not blame the cards. Ke cards mujhe aise bole the. No, the cards should be used as a guidance. Finally, it is your own this thing which you should use. Like for example, if a child has an option of commerce and science, and the child wants to do science, but the parents are insisting on commerce, and the cards also say, okay, do commerce. But if the child says, no, I know I will do well in science, then let the child use hers or her intuition. There is no point in forcing the child to do something the child doesn't want to do. So yes, the tools will definitely guide you. The cards will always guide you, but it is always that you should use your own intuition also. We even tell our clients this. When they come for a reading to us, we always tell them, okay, I am guiding you as to what is good for you according to what the cards tell me, but you can use your own intuition also. As I just gave an example of the child who wanted to do science and not commerce. So, the cards will definitely give you the choices. They will definitely help ask you to how you can develop yourself. There are certain things which are not very, which you yourself are not aware about. Like I still remember when I decided to learn tarot reading, I was not, I wanted to learn it because I just found it interesting. Because once when I had gone somewhere and somebody did a reading for me, the predictions came correct. So I was interested in learning it so that I felt I could help people. So I learned it, and I did not have any knowledge about it except I knew there were a pack of cards which guide you. So I was like inclined to learn it, and after I learned it, when I started doing self-analysis, I learned that I could be more intuitive, and then I realized, yes, of course I could help people also. So this was the reason why I took up tarot readings, and I enjoy doing readings for people even today. I would also like to tell you how tarot works. See, tarot cards give you answers to your questions. They will give you answers to your questions, but it has to be a specific question. Like you cannot ask, "Meri shaadi kab hogi?" I mean, the card is not a person to give you the reply. You cannot you cannot ask us, you have to be very specific in the question. Like you can ask, will I get married by 2021 December? See, because what happens is the tarot card is a deck of 78 cards. There are 78 cards which are given in the deck, and when you shuffle the cards, you have to keep saying the questions in your mind. You saying the questions in your mind and you lay out the cards. And then the spread that you do, it depends on the question. Like for example, supposing there's a daily card spread. The daily card spread is a one card spread also. If you want to know a detailed a detailed way of how your day will go, you can divide it into 4: morning, evening, morning, afternoon, evening, and night. So it depends, and you have to be as I said, you have to be very specific in your questions. And when you ask the questions, you have to let the universe take its own path, and then ask the questions. And then you have to accept the fact, and you have to allow the universe to answer the queries. And as I said, please be very specific in your question, and you will definitely find by the end of the day you will be happy that what you asked and what the cards also guided you came true. Because generally this happens, generally when you start out, you can start out with a single card, how your day will go, just a single card. And then at the end of the day, see how the cards related. And believe me, finally when you start reading, you will really fall in love with the deck that you took over. Okay? Now, the reader who's also reading has to be, generally the reader will definitely be an intuitive person, and generally why they ask these questions is because they are not sure of certain things. So as I said, the cards will definitely guide you as to what can be done best, or if sometimes they have two options, you can always ask whichever is stronger you can take up, or as I said, you do things intuitively. Okay. Now, one more important thing is that you should, as I said, there are 78 cards. Now, the thing is, you have to know the meanings of the cards, and because each card can have a little different meaning. Like there are cards which show a health issue also, and it also shows that there may be a certain change in your life, or there may be a certain upheaval in the life. So there are such cards also. I mean, all cards are good, but there are good and not so good cards. So sometimes a not so good card can also show a health issue, or it can show that you can have a major upheaval in your life. Thank you, Sonali. So you have to see in what context the question has been asked, and this is how, and accordingly only answer. Like sometimes there may be somebody may ask a health issue, like a question on health issue, and if that card comes up, you have to tell the person, please take care of your health, please see a consultant, please see your consultant or family physician, and please do not neglect your health. So basically what you have to do is that you need to know the meanings of all the cards, and then accordingly answer the queries of the clients. Now, tarot reading does not only mean that the client has to be kept happy. A tarot reader himself or herself has to be an ethical person. You cannot just say, tarot reading, okay, fine, somebody has come to me, and so just because a person will generally go to a tarot reader. Generally a person will go to a tarot reader when they have, generally it is if there is a confusion or a problem. So a tarot reader is a healer basically. So a tarot reader also has to be an ethical person. You cannot be like, if somebody comes to you, you go and tell the whole world, or your friends or your spouse, "Arey tujhe pata hai, pala ka pala problem tha." Don't do such things. An ethical tarot reader has to be very secretive about the client. In the sense, yes, you can tell the client, "Bhai, don't worry, I will forget what I have told you after you leave my house." Client ko bura nahi lagega, because this is my personal experience. I mean, you have so many clients coming to you, you cannot remember what exactly you told each one. But as a tarot reader, please be ethical and do not leak people's confidential information, even to your best of best friends or your partner or anybody, because it is very unfortunate. But in my experience as a tarot reader, I have come across problems between couples. So I don't think it would be ethical to tell the husband that the wife came to me with problems, or vice versa. So an ethical tarot reader, first of all, would maintain clients' confidentiality. You cannot go around, as I said, talk about one persons to another, even if they are spouses. Secondly, you have to be very impartial and non-judgmental. See, sometimes what the client is asking or what the client is doing, you may not like it as a person. I mean, after all, even we are human beings. You may not like it as a person, person, but that does not mean that you judge the opposite person, say that वो बुरी है. Don't say that, because you don't know. I mean, see, of course they will, once you start talking to them, they will also confide in you and tell you your problems. But at the same time, it does not mean that you start judging the person. Please don't judge your clients. They are your clients. Even if it is your friend who has come to you, please don't judge them. It is not a good thing. See, sometimes your friends come to you because you are a friend also. So don't judge कि तू जो कर रही है वो गलत. As a friend you can say anything, but as a tarot reader or as a professional or a healer, please don't judge them for what they are doing. Okay? And another thing is, see, I don't know in India, there are people who can ask you questions on finances, medical, legal aspects. For God's sake, if you are not a professional, do not guide them. I mean, somebody may ask me, ye share lu, wo share lu, please do not guide them. I mean, if you are not into it or if you don't have the knowledge, please don't guide them, because see, certain countries where the laws are so strict, you are not advised to give financial, medical or legal advices. So it is best, if you want, you can tell your client from the beginning that I will not deal with certain questions. So please don't, and it is okay, you can be frank with your client. At least they also know that they cannot ask you certain things, because tomorrow I don't think as a healer or a tarot reader I would be responsible. अरे तुमने तो ऐसे बोला था, ठीक है, लेकिन I told you what the guards did, and did you exactly do what I told you? It could be that they have tried something different. So why take responsibility? So the best thing is, be ethical, and please do not, if you don't want to entertain certain topics, be clear about it that you will not entertain those topics, and please stick to it. There is no harm in sticking to it. At the most क्या होगा, they'll go to somebody else. But at least you be ethical कि नहीं, ये मैं नहीं कर सकती, this is not my department. Because there have been many a times where people have come to me, अरे मेरे health का बता, and only one card comes up that they need to see their physician. So I tell them, but you just need to see your physician. It is better, because I am not a doctor, I am not a medical advisor. It is not my cup of tea. In fact, I am not even a science graduate, so I wouldn't know much anything about medicine. So the best is, I will, I would rather send you to a professional. Another thing is, don't try and, sell anything to people. Like, don't try कि यारे ये ले लो, ये करो, वो ऐसे करो. Please don't try all those stunts with people, See, sometimes the people may not even like what you are giving them. ये क्या है, मेरे को नहीं जमेगा. People have that. So don't try and sell anything to them. But just read out what the cards say to you. Another thing is, you always tell your another thing is that you can always tell your clients that you ask them also to use their intuition. As I already gave you the example of that little child who wanted to do science despite, commerce being, maybe it was just his friends taking science, so he was inclined towards science. But if his intuition feels कि नहीं मुझे science ही करना है, तो करने दो science. So encourage the clients to distinguish their intuitions also, to use their intuitions also, because sometimes what will happen, sometimes the intuition also would work. Or anyway, if the child is destined to do commerce at a later stage, maybe he will definitely switch to commerce on his own, So it's not that your guidance will go wrong. It's just that the child initially, fine, his friends are doing, then once he finds that he's not able to do it, he will come to your commerce and he will do your commerce, he will change afterwards. But at the moment, let the clients also use their intuitions. And as far as tarot decks are concerned, as I have mentioned, it is a deck of 78 cards. There are many decks available, and the best is, but when you start out doing tarot, as I had started out a few years back, I had started with the Rider-Waite deck. It is a very basic deck. And the pictures are very simple. Sometimes, if you have regular clients, वो client भी समझ जाता है, अरे ये तो ये कार्ड है ना, ये तो अच्छा दिख रहा है मुझे, अरे ये क्या आ गया, the client also starts resonating with the cards if they come to on a regular basis to you, especially if it's on a one-to-one set, because now with COVID and all, plus with people staying outstation, a lot of online readings also are done for the clients. But when it is done on a one-to-one basis, I remember I had a friend, who used to come to me for some time. I mean, not every day, but she used to come, say, once a month. Then she started getting a hang of the cards. So this deck which I am suggesting, Rider-Waite, is a very easy deck, and you can, use it for your cards also. And now I'll give a little brief about the tarot deck. The tarot deck consists of 78 cards which are divided into two, the major arcanas and the minor arcanas. The major arcanas are standalone cards, and in a spread, if you find there are too many major arcanas, it could be a question which could be life-changing also. Of course, it depends on the cards. It could be, most of the cards are good, nothing to worry. So, it could be a life-changing spread also, which, the client is asking for. So, there are many major and minor arcanas, and so you can, according to that, then when the spread comes, you just have to pull out the cards, and whatever cards come, you do the readings. So thank you, Sonali. So I will then, and you have so you have 22 major arcanas, and then you have 56 minor arcanas. The minor arcanas are divided into four. We have the pentacles, we have the cups, we have the swords, and we have the pentacle. Which is the fourth one? Wands and the wands. So we have these four elements, whereas wands is the fire element, the pentacles is the earth element, air is swords, and cups is water. So these are the four elements each one refers to. Yes, Shruti, I will be doing readings soon. I'm just giving a little brief about it. And another thing, the minor arcanas are numbered from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The way we have for our cards, our normal playing cards. But the court cards or the picture cards are divided into four, which is the pages, the knights, the queens, and the kings. The pages are the small younger people. The knights are the little elder ones. Then you have the queens and the kings. So all these four suits have these 14 cards each, and then we will be accordingly, as I said, you have to know the meanings of all these cards, and then accordingly you do the readings. Okay, that is how you do the readings. Acha, one more thing I would like to also tell you all, that colors also play an important role in the card. In the sense, if the cards have like this card has a lot of yellow, green, and red. It has a little bit of orange too. So this card could mean fun. It could mean creativity. Then again, it's a pentacle card. Pentacle card is money. So this could mean a growth money card. He's got a little red, which has got power and passion. Green is again for growth. Okay. Now we go on to some other card. Now this person has a black. He has a black and a yellow. So yellow is some positivity, and because it's a black, it's some ending or a transformation card. So this is how it is. Then we have the brown cards. These got a little bit of brown, which is earth, connection. Then there is a white card. White card is some purity, or there is something mysterious about this card. So each card that way has its own meanings. Like here we have a lot of red. Red, so this is a powerful person. So this is how the cards are divided based on colors, based on colors, based on the number, based on the meanings of the cards. We end up doing readings for our clients. So on this note, I think I can now start the reading of the clients. We'll start with Sonali, the founder of Skill Connect, and I'll be doing a general reading for Sonali. Sonali, are you hearing? And thank you for the compliment that my readings are pretty accurate. I'm starting with you. And thank you, Pratichi. Thank you for having me there. 1 minute. I'll start with Sonali. Sonali, as far as your health is concerned, I find you are raring to go. So I'm glad that your health is good, and you need to, but still, as I say, always take care of your health. and there is some project which is going on, and you have some hopes that you will do well in the project, or the project is upcoming but you will do well in the projects, because what I see in your career, you have some opportunities and you have to work on those opportunities. So you are taking things very positively and you are working on that. So that is there. As far as money is concerned, you just need to see that you receive your payments. Nobody should take you for a ride and not give you what is due to you. So because at the moment, you are working and you are happy with your work, there is a little sacrifice also on your part. Maybe you're not giving some time to the house, or maybe because you're working on your project and all, but it's absolutely fine. It's nothing, because you can't have everything together. But what I definitely see is you are working on you have some opportunities at work with you, and you are working on them, and I'm seeing a lot of hope. You will definitely do well in whatever you are doing, and all the best to you. So that's Sonali Sarapalli for you. The next person is Shruti Clarence. Shruti, thank you first very much for reading my daily post every day. I'm glad you are reading it, and I hope you resonate with what I am saying. So next is Shruti Clarence. Shruti. Shruti, you've got wonderful cards. I'm really happy with your cards. Shruti, it is showing that you're going to get some news. You're going to get some news regarding work or something, because I see a new source of income coming to you from your career. There's some new source of income because your career is showing me a new beginning. So maybe you started a new job, or you just taken up a new job, or you're starting your own work, or something you're starting as far as work is concerned. And yes, Dr. Mitali, I'm taking yours also. At the moment, you're happy with your family life, but you're definitely starting something new in your career. You're definitely starting something new. Either the news has come to you, or the project has just come to you, or it's going to come to you. It's definitely coming. If you got the news, at least that the project is on its way, because there's a new source of income from you. And just your health is also fine, nothing to worry. But sometimes when your health, you see something as far as your health is concerned, you're fine that way, but sometimes somebody gives an opinion, like say you got a cough and cold, somebody will give you an opinion. So you try and see the other person's point of view. Say he's saying you take steam, where maybe you don't take steam before, but you could take it. If the person is suggesting to Vicks dal ke thoda steam lo, to just take it. I mean, see the other person's point of view also, and things will be fine for you. Because Shruti, I'm seeing very good cards for you. So there's nothing to worry about. All the best in your new project or new job, whatever has come to you. So next on my list is Dr. Pratichi Punde. Dr. Pratichi Punde. Dr. Mitali, you're at number 4. So you're still, it's okay. You're not yet late. You're not late. I have to do Pratichi Punde's this. I'll be doing that first. Dr. Pratichi, yes, there is money का कुछ stagnation है. Maybe you've not got some dues which you are bound to get. You're welcome, Pratichi. Sorry, you're welcome, Shruti. There is some money issue in the sense that, there is some stagnation somewhere. Maybe, you have not got your dues, or, people are just not paying you what you deserve. So basically there is a but it is a slow and steady process. Slowly and steadily you will recover the money. You just need to, work on the collection process or something. And as far as your health is concerned, touch wood, you're rearing to go, you're doing well. And even in your mind, your mind also, you have something in your mind which you want to do. Just see to it that you don't leave your things haphazard, and you don't leave the project halfway. You think twice and then take up the project and see that you can give your best to it. So of course, I know everybody gives their best to whatever they do. I mean, you are a you, and whatever you do, you are working very hard at it. Because, by the way, I do numerology also, so I asked for the birth date specifically so that I know. So what basically is I see is that you people, that Dr. Pratichi, you, whatever you do, you put in hard work, but just see to it that you get rewarded also, because you have to work on the money, work on the opportunities, and whatever work also you're doing, please work on the opportunities, so people give you the give you the credit that you deserve. Okay, that's Dr. Pratichi. Next is Mitali More. Next is Mitali More. Priya, I will be doing your reading later. I have already got a list. I will be definitely doing your reading. Just 1 minute. Next is Mitali More. Mitali, as far as your health is concerned, just take care of your health, because you are upset about something. I really don't know. You are upset about something, and it's really playing on your this thing. It's the money and the emotions are playing. See, you're working very hard at whatever you're doing, but maybe you've not achieved the success that you deserve. So you are a little worried about it, and do take care of your health also, because as it is, I think you're a little upset about something. So anyway, you will come out of it, nothing to worry. But take care of your health. See that you don't ruin your health after your your work issues or your family issues, or whatever issues you have going. So anyway, things will definitely be better. All the best. And next is Srirang Mase. Okay. Next is Srirang Mase. Priya, I'll just note down your details. Priya, this is okay. Next is Srirang Mase. Srirang Mase, you have, see, as far as family life is concerned, it is a happy family life, and I guess you are happy maybe working from home or socializing or whatever. Things are fine on the family front. But what I find is regarding your money or career prospects, you got to be a little cautious about things, because there is some change coming up. Maybe the change is positive, not to worry so much, but there is a little change coming up. So maybe you're leaving your old job, or you're finishing an event. There is a change coming up for you this year. This will be especially this thing after your birthday. So there is some change coming up. So maybe you'll get a new job, or you'll start a new project or something, and things could be better after that, because just now at the moment things are slow and steady for you. I mean, things are stagnant. So I think you should just wait for some time. And things will definitely improve this year itself, especially after your birthday. So as far as your health is concerned, things are fine. Just work on your health in the sense, take care of your diet, take care of your diet, do not have too much of junk food and all. See that your diet and everything is fine. So otherwise things are fine with you in the sense your family life. I've got lovely cards as far as your family life, and you're enjoying your socializing at the moment also. Maybe you're meeting your old friends or your childhood friends, your school, college. If you don't stay in the same city as where you were born and brought up, you're you're meeting your childhood friends and all. So you're having a good time as far as social life is concerned. Next is Nikunj Mase. Okay, next is Srirang Mase. Sorry, Nikunj Mase. Nikunj, first of all and foremost, you need to take care of your health. Health is wealth, they say. So please take care of your health, because health is wealth. Because what I see is maybe you're a little upset. You're a little upset about your money, your finances or something. But just see to it that it doesn't ruin your health. पैसा तो क्या हाथ का मैल है, आता है जाता है, आ जाएगा. Nothing to worry. Because there is a change, so maybe things will be better after your birthday, So please don't worry too much. Take care of your health, because I believe you are, doing some charity. Maybe you have an NGO or something, and you are doing some charity and all that. Because as far as family life is concerned, I see a good family card. Good family life is going on at the moment. Yes, relations में थोड़ा कुछ ऊंच नीच चल रहा है, but it'll all be sorted out. Nothing to worry. Hi Reena. It'll be sorted out. Nothing to worry. Even पैसा आ जाएगा. Nothing. Don't worry about that. Just what I'm saying, my sincere advice to you is take care of your health first, and everything will be sorted in place. So take care of your health. Next is Meera Mase. Meera Mase. Meera Mase. This year is a very good year for you to spend time with your family. Being a numerologist, from your birthday I can judge. It's a very good time that you can be with your family. You'll spend a lot of time with the family now, especially after your birthday. Your birthday is coming next month, in a few days. Oh, lovely cards, Meera ji. You've got lovely cards. Career में आप ऐश और आराम है अभी. Or maybe you've got income from sources like house property or something, and you're just enjoying your hard-earned money. So it is a great this thing. So you're quite happy with that. Career, I see some new work. Maybe you're planning to do something or something. Somebody has planned something to tell you. We will, as far as your career, money is concerned, maybe you're trying a new source of income, or maybe some investments you've made, or there is some new or money from some new work. Maybe you've done something new for that. You are hesitating a little, but so maybe if you've already done something before and this is something new, you should go ahead with it, in the sense that, okay, I'm not saying you forget what you were doing before. You stick to the old, but you can maybe just take a break if you want. But you can definitely do something new, because I'm seeing wonderful cards. Even your health, I'm seeing you're raring to go. So I think you've got lovely cards. So all the best to you in whatever you do. Now Priya, next is your turn. Priya Chavlani. Priya Chavlani. Priya Chavlani. We'll see your card. Oh, Priya, you're a young girl. Priya, numerologically, this is a very good year for you to start something. If you want to take up a new job or start a new business, this is a very good year for you to start, especially before your next year's birthday. So, Priya, we'll do your general reading. Priya, as far as health is concerned, you got a nice card, and yes, please maintain good relations with everybody. Yes, maybe you have some financial problem. Maybe you've not recovered the money that you have to still recover a lot of money from people, or you've not been paid for some work that you've done. So this period is like you're waiting for the money, but I guess you will get the money. You don't worry so much. Because yes, career also you are looking at earning. Obviously, who wouldn't be looking at money? So there is no harm in looking at money, and things are quite financially thoda tang hath chal raha hai. But not to worry, things will definitely be better for you. And maybe there is some event like there may be a new project or a job or something which is coming up, and you're feeling hesitant about that. But just do a little research and go ahead, because it appears to be something good. Because maybe if it is a new job, if it is a new job, thanks Anali. Because maybe if it is a new job, then yes, you are hesitant कि लोग कैसे होंगे, क्या होंगे. If you want to do that, I'm there to guide you. Come for a personal reading for me. To me, I will definitely guide you out, because the cards at the moment are showing me that you are hesitant to go out. So maybe because you suffered a setback financially, but maybe you could take a chance. But the best is to do a detailed reading for all this. For that, I'm always there to help. So next is after that, yes. General reading Suvarna Khare. Sure, I'll do a general reading for Suvarna Khare. First, I'll do a reading for Suvarna Khare. General reading. Suvarna, the first thing you need to do is please take care of your health. There is some issue with the body, so you need to go ahead and first take care of your health. Because as far as maybe you're a little upset because your health may not be too good at the moment, and plus I see some relatives maybe kuch anban chal rahi hai. But see, there could be, as they say, tali do haath se bajti hai. So I'm not saying it is not it's not your fault or the other person's fault. It's always a little, they say साथ में रहते हैं तो बर्तन की आवाज होती है. So just whatever it is, maybe the person has already apologized to you, and maybe coming back for good relations. It could be with a friend also, not necessarily in your house. It could be with anybody. So just accept the relations. Just accept the friendship back, because whatever happened was a very minor thing. Because I definitely see that you're going to make new relations also, because maybe the new relations you will get more money, because I'm seeing a very good card in your career prospect. Okay, sometimes what happens is, maybe if you had a financial problem, something, the doors close but the windows are always open. So maybe you could have a new source of income, or maybe you could work on a new event or something and make some money out of it. So I don't think there is anything for you to worry about. Just clear your misunderstandings and things will fall in place. So that is Suvarna Khare, born on 15th May. Okay, next Aditi. You want me to do for Aditi? Okay, I'll do for Aditi. I'll do a reading for Aditi. Aditi. I'll do a general reading now for Aditi, born on 23/7/91. Can you give me your full name, please? Aditi, can you give me the full name, please? Meera ji, please could you give me her full name, Aditi's? Oh, sorry, Trupti Thorat. Okay, I'll do a reading for Trupti Thorat. Meera ji, please give me Aditi's full name. I need her full name. Okay, the DOB I know. You've written. DOB is... 23,791. That's okay. Meera ji, please give me Aditi's full name. In the meanwhile, I'll do it for Trupti Thorat. Trupti Thorat. Trupti Thorat, born on 23. Okay. 26, 184. Trupti Thorat. Wow, Trupti, lovely cards. Trupti, very happy to see, sorry, so I'm very happy to see your cards, because what I'm finding is that for career, if you need, yeah, okay, I'll do Aditi Mase later. Now I'm doing for Trupti Thorat. Trupti Thorat, what I see is, okay, maybe there is something new coming up, a new project is coming up in your life. You will not get returns immediately for the project, but there is a new project which is coming up, and that is basically for your growth. So the project may not give you immediate returns, but I think you should go ahead with the project. At the most, you can take a consultant's help. I mean, in your finances, I see that you either, if you are a consultant, then you need to give help. But if you required, you can take financial consultancy from a professional. This is what the cards, because that card is also a very positive card. And because maybe, something is, you are worried about the finances. Maybe it's that new project for which you may need more finances. But for that, you could always consult somebody, because I've got a guidance card. I got an extra card for you, which says that you are, you're working hard at whatever you do. But you need to, you just need to come out of that shell and, work a little hard on the project you are taking out. So this is what the cards are showing me. Very nice cards. And as far as your finances is concerned, don't worry. Take professional help. You will definitely do well, because you've got a lovely card in your career. So, and there is a growth of whatever new you are taking up. It's a long-term project, but you will definitely succeed in it. So all the best to you. And as far as health is also concerned, you've got a good card. But just keep taking care of your health, because, let's not neglect health, because as I always say, health is wealth. Next is, thank you, Dr. Mitali. I'm glad my readings, you're appreciating my readings. Next is Shaire Somar. Okay, sure, I'll do a general reading for you. Shaire Somar. Well, Shaire, as far as your health is concerned, you just need to take rest. I think you're working too much. Maybe because, and sometimes you feel like running away, कि मैं छोड़ छाड़ के सब, अपने आप ये करूँ. So take care of your health also. You need to take care of your health, because I'm seeing that maybe, finances, there is a little problem going on. But don't worry about it. Because even in your career, things are slow and steady at the moment. You're slow and steady. Sometimes there's a little pause because of COVID. We all know everybody's work has also suffered. So, even my work has suffered. People are coming for less readings. So it would be nice if you all come. Yes, I will tell you about Aditi also next after her. At the moment, I'm doing for Shaire Somar. So and your career also, things are a little slow at the moment, unfortunately, maybe because of COVID. And yes, finances also is a little problem. Sometimes you do want to run away, कि सब छोड़ छाड़ के जाओ. But yes, one thing is definite, you need to take rest also, because I find you're working too much. You're working too much. You're trying to give in your best, maybe for the money part or whatever. But at the moment, please take care of your health also and take enough rest. I'm not saying 24 hours sote raho aap, but you take rest also. You work, you balance your work and your personal life. In a sense, take enough rest, eat properly, and everything will be fine. Don't worry. Okay. Next, we'll do Aditi Mase. Yes, I will do my next reading is for Aditi Mase. Aditi Mase. Aditi, this year is a year where your birthday is day after tomorrow, so happy birthday in advance, Aditi. And so Aditi, what I'm saying is that this year is a year to lay foundations. So you should do something. If you want to do something for the future, you should lay foundations for the future. Aditi, beautiful cards. I mean, I think you've got one of the most, some of the cards that you've got, as I said, those major arcanas. I think it's those cards, you've got those cards and beautiful ones, because career is also showing me a new beginning for you. So maybe you've just taken up a new job or something, or maybe you started a new project, or some new business or something. But I'm seeing beautiful cards. I'm seeing new sources of income for you, and I'm really very happy for you. Because it's just don't get, yes, you will have to follow certain rules and regulations. So maybe the organization you've joined is, it has, it's strict and has some rules and regulations. But I think if you follow the rules and regulations, you've got a beautiful beginning over there, and it's a new source of income for you. So a new source of income. So maybe your salary has increased, or the project ka, alag se paisa hai or something. But I'm just seeing beautiful cards. Even your health card, touch wood, is very good. But do take care of your health. Yeah, you're a young child, but health is wealth, and as we grow older, we definitely need to take care of ourselves and our health and all. So that way, and don't get too. So basically, Aditi, what I find is you've got lovely cards. So all the best to you in whatever you do, because as I said, you've got new beginning cards in your career. So that's it. So next is, after that, Jyoti Joshi, a general reading. Jyoti Joshi. Jyoti, I think you are learning something new. Jyoti, you are learning something new, and Jyoti, you're learning something new. Maybe you're upgrading your skills, which I think is a very good thing, because everybody needs to evolve and learn new things. First of all, you need to work on your health. As I always say, health is wealth. So you just need to work on your health. Even if you have a minor cough and cold with this weather, sabko ho jata hai. But what I feel is you need to work on your health. Don't neglect even your cough and cold. Why unnecessary? Because aaj to kuch bhi hota hai, COVID ke liye bhaga dete hai, khali pili, even if there is nothing. So best is first work on your health, because I'm seeing some positive lifestyle change in you. So things are going to get better for you. So yes, maybe maybe you've upgraded your skills, because you can, for better career prospects in your maybe you get better finances, you get a better salary, if you've this thing yourself, if you've upgraded yourself at work also. So definitely yes, your cards are pretty good. And because it is showing that maybe you've taken up a new path or a new project or something which you're not too sure about, but I think you can always try the new path, because as far as your career is concerned, I'm seeing a positive lifestyle change. So all the best to you, and all the best to you in whatever you do. Next is Jyoti Joshi. I finished your reading. I think I've done all the readings. I hope I've just not left out anybody. No, I've done Trupti Thorat, Meera, Aditi Masi. I've done the readings. Yes. 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 Yes, I have finished all the readings because I've started getting thank you and all that for everybody. Anjali Mote. Okay, I'm so sorry. Thank you for reminding me. Could you give me Anjali Mote's birth date, please? Anjali Mote. I will do her reading. Anjali Mote. Okay. Please, can you give me her birthday? Please give me her birthday, na? किसी टाइप की करा
तो ऑप्शन है लाइव जो ऑप्शन है
Anjali Mote, I need her birthday. You need to send me Anjali Mote's birthday, please. Please send me Anjali Mote's birthday. I need her birthday. Okay, Anjali Mote. Okay, thank you. So she'll be this year she's a very social year for Anjali Mote, especially after her birthday. She'll be very social. Anjali, the first thing you need to do is take care of your health. There is something which is not. You have to first take care of your health because that's the card I'm seeing. That yeah, Anjali, I'm doing your reading. I am doing your reading. 25th September, I got your birthday. I am doing your reading only. Anjali, the first thing I'm saying is please take care about your health because there is some niggling issue in your health and you really need to take care of it, and that is even upsetting you. In your mind also your health is playing. Maybe you're not saying it to anybody in the house. Maybe you're trying कि नहीं हो जाएगा ठीक. But I would sincerely suggest avoid such things and please talk about your health to somebody, or you go to your family physician and get your health, or maybe just get a regular checkup done. Now all the labs anyway are opening, COVID, no COVID. So the thing is, first thing you need to do is please take care of your health because you're happy with your family, you're happy with your career, your money part, everything is fine. The only thing you need to do is stop being self-sacrificing and please take care of your health. If touch wood, if you find कि नहीं कुछ नहीं है problem, just go for a general checkup. You just need to get a general checkup done because after a certain age, everybody gets a checkup done, and with your age also you need to get your checkup done. So if your checkup is due, then please go and get it done just to say कि भाई कुछ नहीं है मुझे, because it's playing in your mind also. This is what I see in your card. So your health is playing in your mind. Everything else is fine with you. So just go and get your checkup done. That is the only thing I can say about you. Okay, we have Kalpana Sathe Khare. Okay, Kalpana Khare. Kalpana, for you also, this is a very social year. This year is a very social year for you, Kalpana ji. Kalpana ji, beautiful card in your career. Whatever you are doing, please plan and go ahead. You've got a brilliant card in your career. So Kalpana ji, whatever you are doing, career-wise, it's beautiful. Touch wood, financially also. Touch wood, not too many problems. Yes, and yes, you are a person who loves maintaining relations. You're a very emotional person who really cares about the family so much. I mean, you know, you're very possessive also about your family. And किसी ने आपकी family पे आँख दिखाई, तो आप उसकी आँख खींच लोगे. Nobody can say bad anything to you about your family. Your family is your first love. So as far as that, yes, financially थोड़ा कुछ ये हो रहा है, तो you have to, you know, balance थोड़ा finance or relations, but you will do a fantastic job because you got lovely cards. And yes, as far as your health is also concerned, take care of your health. If somebody is suggesting to you कि चलो खांसी सर्दी के लिए कुछ, you know, there's a नुस्खा which they are giving you, at least try it out. I mean, घर के नुस्खे never harm anybody, so you can just try it out because your health is fine that way. But with the monsoons, you know, कभी कभी health में issues होते हैं. So because of that, just take care of your health at the moment. Otherwise, everything else is fine for you. Especially, I'm very happy with your career card. Please go ahead and do whatever you are doing. Just plan it out carefully, and yes, you will do very well. Next is Sumit Khare. Okay, Sumit Khare. Okay, next reading I'll do is for Sumit Khare. Sumit, I'm doing a reading for Sumit Khare, born on 16th of May. Sumit, some brilliant opportunities you have at work at the moment, and you just have to make the right choice. Maybe, you know, you've got 2-3 opportunities coming your way, Sumit, but you have to make the right choice because sometimes, you know, what you see cannot be true. So the best thing is you think practically, think with an open mind, think, see all the pros and cons in all the projects that you've been offered, and then decide what you want to do. Or maybe, you know, you've got 2 jobs and you have to decide. Or of course, if you have any more problems, I'm always there. You can consult me. And because money wise, yes, there is a little issue going on in your mind, and maybe because of that you want to move to better prospects. So fine, you will definitely move because I am seeing a very positive card. And in your career also at the moment, maybe, you know, you're talking more to people. Maybe you're talking to your school friends, maybe your childhood friends. Maybe they have come with some option for you. So yes, maybe you need to talk it out. But as I said, please see the pros and the cons of everything and then only finalize. See that, you know, you don't take a very ad hoc or a very hasty decision for that. So Sumit, and as far as your health is concerned, please take care of your health also. Don't have that feeling कि यार health पे क्यों पैसा खर्चो. Don't have that attitude. If you have any niggling problem with this weather going on, please go ahead and consult your general physician or get a checkup done or something. But take care of your health. As far as work is concerned, there's a brilliant opportunity for you. So all the best. May you do well. Next is Supriya Khade. Supriya Khade. Supriya, before your birthday, please do something. Maybe you had some new beginnings starting last year. Please do something. And if the opportunity has already come, and if you're already doing something, no issues. But please do something before this year's birthday. Supriya, please take care of your health. Again, you got, I'm not saying you have any health issues, But yes, you definitely need to take care of your health, because all the, maybe you're overworking yourself or something. Yes, because in your you are working hard for finances maybe, but you need to take rest also. So yes, please take rest when required. I'm not saying don't overwork. Yes, whatever work you're doing, you must be enjoying it also, but don't overwork yourself, because you obviously you're happy with your partner, and work career mein, money wise I'm seeing you're working very hard. So fine, work hard, no issues, but at the same time take rest and take care of your health also, because career also you are maintaining good relations and all, so I think you will do well. Just take care of your health at the moment. uh, Prashant More. Okay, I'll do for Prashant More now. Prashant has to take care of relations this year, and even his health. Touch wood, Prashant, I'm very happy with your health card. Touch wood, you're doing well in your health, and maybe you've recovered from your illness or something, and some doctors have helped you or whatever. So touch wood, you're doing well in your health. And yes, are you learning something new? Maybe you're learning, upgrading your skills, because I see that you're not too happy with your career, so maybe you're just upgrading your skills so that for better career prospects, which I think is a very good thing. So basically, I find your cards to be pretty good. You're just upgrading yourself, which is absolutely fine. And you're touchwood happy with your family life also at the moment. And yes, you are running. Maybe you're one of the main people in the house running the show or something. So do well in whatever you're doing. And yes, upgrading your skills is a very good thing. You will definitely do better in your career. Next. We did for Prashant More. Okay, now Siddhi Khare. Okay, Siddhi Khare. Oh, she's a little girl. Oh, she's a teenager. Sorry, I'm so sorry. She's a teenager. Siddhi Khare is a teenager. Siddhi is enjoying life at the moment. Her birthday is just gone, so Siddhi is enjoying life at the moment. Siddhi, a very good health, touch wood, you're doing very well. I'm happy with that. And you're working hard. Maybe you're studying. So obviously you're working hard on those online classes or whatever. So yes, you study hard. And I think you're very vocal in class maybe. Because what I'm seeing is in your studies, when you have to talk, you talk very well. Maybe you answer well or something, and your teachers are basically very happy with you. And maybe if you need some career counseling, I think you should go to a counselor, or meet the correct person. Yes, it could involve a little finances, but you can always discuss the finances with your parents. I mean, I don't think it should be an issue, because I'm seeing very good cards for you. You're working hard, you're talking well, and yes, if you need any guidance, because you're a teenager, so maybe you're in high school, 8th standard onwards, 8th, 9th somewhere. So yes, if you need career guidance for your future studies, please go ahead and take career guidance. It will be of great help to you. So that is Siddhi Khare for you. Next is Maisha Khare. Maisha Khare. Okay. Maisha Khare is another teenager. Oh, I'm so nice. Siddhi, you spoke very well. She got a, no wonder she had a brilliant card today in career. So since she's a student, obviously she'll be doing some talking, maybe she's answering. So I'm glad she got a first prize. Congratulations, Siddhi. Next is Maisha Khare. Maisha. I think Maisha's, till now, all the readings I've done, Maisha's got the best of best cards. She's got brilliant cards, only that she needs to, because career also she's doing well. She needs to, she's a good talker, and health-wise, touch wood, she is doing well. And mind, she just needs a clarity in what she wants to do. Maybe she also has some options coming up for her, so she is definitely confused in what she wants to do. Maybe she's just given her 12th or something. So she's confused in what she wants to do. So whatever she wants to do, she has to have total clarity, in the sense she should consult the, if she needs consultation, she should consult the correct person, and she should be very vocal in what she wants to do. I mean, God forbid, see, I just hope, but unfortunately even today there are parents who expect their child to do what they want her to do. So basically, if she's not keen, then she should be vocal enough to say, okay, please, I don't want to do this, but whatever she will do, she will really do very well, because she's got brilliant cards in career also. She's got, in fact, one of the most powerful cards in tarot. But she should just see that she consults the right person and she takes the right decision. She should totally be clear in her mind if what she wants to do. So that is Maisha Khare for you. Next is Ira Khare. Okay, Ira Khare. Ira Khare. Okay, Ira Khare is a small 12-year-old. This Khade family, touchwood, is doing very well. Ira Khade has got a brilliant card. She is going through, she's getting a lot of opportunities. She's going through positive changes in life. Ira Khade, beautiful card. Health also, touchwood, is fine. Maybe, if she's not well, she consults mama not well karke, So she's got real help in that also. Plus, in her career, if she needs any guidance, she should immediately take the guidance, because I'm seeing some new beginning for her, which is a brilliant card. Luckily, she's got, as I was talking of the major arcanas, which are life changes, she's got a lot of major arcanas and the positive ones, fortunately. So what she can do is, she's got a very positive card. So I guess this year is really important for her. So what she can do is, she can take the advice that is required, and because maybe she's also feeling that maybe she's not doing something she should, what she wants to do, things are not going in her favor, but it's okay. That's what, it's all in her mind. She has to take, there's some positive change in her life, and she just needs to take the correct guidance. So that's Ira Khade for you. Ira, just take the correct guidance and you will definitely do well. Beautiful cards. Next is Sandeep Khade. Okay, I will first do it for Sandeep Khade. I got his name first, so I'll do Sandeep Khade first. Sandeep ji, this is a year of changes for you. There will be some changes. Maybe, I just hope they are positive changes. But Sandeep ji, there are some changes for you this year. So let's do Sandeep Khade. Sandeep ji, there is some tingling issue which is going on in your mind. Maybe you feel, paisa ka shayad yehi hai. Maybe it's the money which is going on in your mind. Don't worry, things are a little slow for you, but slowly and steadily things will improve. I know the issue is there in your mind. The cards have showed me that there is an issue in your mind. But don't worry. What's your date of birth? 2/25/2. As I said, things will start changing and things will definitely be better for you. Don't worry so much. Don't worry so much, and just take care of your health also. So that is Sandeep Khade for you. And Asmi More. I think is this last reading? Yeah. Okay, I'll do for Asmi More. Is it 26th October or 27th October? Because first it's written as 26th October, then 27th October. Please tell me the correct date. Give me Asmi's correct date of birth. Is it 26th October or 27th October? Dr. Mitali, I need her. Okay, 27th October. Okay. Asmi will spend a lot of time with the family this year. Just now she's going through some changes, but she will spend a lot of time with the family. Asmi at the moment is sitting pretty comfortably. She's a teenager after all, career mein. So maybe she has to, if she's in 10th or something, she has to take her career a little. Yeah, it's okay, Supriya ji. She has to take a little. She's sitting quite comfortably. So and the family, touch wood, even if she has any problem, the family is always there to support her. This is what I'm seeing, because in this excuse me, mind, there is something going on in her mind. Maybe she wants to do something and she's very good, but she's not sure about the work and all. But I think the family is there to support her, because I'm seeing a lot of cards where the family is going to support her, So because her health also is quite fine, quite okay. Or if there is any tingling issue, she goes to the doc and she's taken care of. And in money, I'm seeing some new relations coming up. So maybe she'll develop some new relations and then do something new. Or she'll make new friends, or जहाँ friends are like कुछ, supposing she's an artistic person, कुछ बनाएगी छोटा मोटा और friends को बेचेगी, or something like that, because I'm seeing very good cards in money, so it's showing new friends and new relations. So maybe कोई relative आएगा घर में. Of course now a little less people come, but everybody has WhatsApp groups. So maybe she'll make something and want to sell it in the group. I've made this is the rate. So I'm seeing some new relation she's going to make for her career guidance. And at the moment, because she is planning to do something, and I see a lot of family support for her. Because in her mind just now there is something that she wants to work on something, but she's not able to decide, or even if she's decided, maybe she's not able to put it across. But then she should just talk it out, because the family is always there to support her, because she's touchwood got very good relation cards. So I think the family is there to support her. So the family, just ask her kya hai and support her as much as possible. Next is Jessica Siroya. Rasika, I am just doing general readings just now. You're welcome, Dr. Mitali. Rasika, I'm just doing general readings just now. If you want any personalized reading or something, then you'll have to contact me on my mobile number. I'll be giving my mobile number at the end of the readings. At the moment, I'm just doing readings. I'm just doing general readings for everybody, because this, what you asked me, is very personal. So I think you can contact me on my personal window for a personalized reading. So we can discuss that. Rasika Siroya. Rasika, I don't think you need to worry much, because what I'm seeing is, see, this year you may not make so much money, but especially after your birthday, as you're going towards your birthday, you will have new sources of income. You will have something, maybe a new business or something where you lay your foundations on. So you are working very hard, because, and yes, your cards are showing me that you're a little upset in your mind. I am doing a general reading, Rasika. I am seeing you are quite upset at the moment just now. You're, as you said, you are having some problems. But I'm seeing a new source of income coming up soon. Maybe something new will come up soon, and in your career, I'm seeing this. So there is a new source of income for you. And health also, please take care of your health, because and your money wise, you're working very hard for money. So maybe there will be a new source of income for you, and you will definitely do well. Next is Diksha Kirtani. Diksha, I see that you have taken too much responsibilities on your head. You have taken other people's responsibilities also. Please don't do such things. Don't do such things. Take your own responsibilities and learn to delegate responsibility, because I see you are working very hard for money. Yes, and you are enjoying your work. I'm not denying that. But don't take other people's responsibility on your head, because see, you're a young girl, and you're a young girl, and yes, in your career I do see some projects coming up for you, and these projects are like you will get returns, maybe not immediately, but yes, in the long run. So please work hard, and that's it. I mean, you got nice cards. Even your health, touch wood, you're taking care of your health. See that you continue taking good care of your health and work hard. And are you thinking of Prince Charming also? Maybe it's there in your cards. So all the best to you in whatever you do. That's Diksha. Next is Rakhi. Next is Rakhi. Rakhi Mutha. Rakhi Mutha. Rakhi, you've got brilliant cards as far as career is concerned. Please plan ahead and please plan ahead and go. Hi Mahua. Rakhi, please plan and go ahead in your career, because finances are definitely there. You just need to you just need to plan your finances, maybe how to invest them or something. So you've got, of course, money is playing on your mind, and mind, yes, there could be maybe you're trying to delay something, okay, or maybe you have to see a certain person's point of view. That's okay. You do that, you do both. I mean, there could be a delay in something, but you need to plan carefully, and you've got brilliant cards in career. So all the best to you, and all the best to you, and may you do well in whatever you do, and may you, the new source of income also, may you do well in whatever you do. Okay, Rasika. Okay, Bhavesh Sroya. I think that will be my last reading, because I don't see any more. The last reading will be Bhavesh Sroya. Bhavesh, you got excellent cards. Maybe you just completed some project successfully or something, and you've got a lot of new opportunities also coming up for you. And yes, finances, there could be a little delay here and there. And career, maybe a new project is coming up, or maybe you got some news about something, or maybe a new project coming up, or some news has come up to you. So that is it. I mean, maybe you got news that you may become a father or something soon, or something like that. But you got lovely cards, and touch wood, your health is also fine. So I think I'm quite happy that I'm ending on a happy note with lovely cards for Bhavesh. And those who would like to connect with me on my personal window for more readings, this I just did a general spread for everybody, but if anybody wants to know anything more about themselves in details, you can contact me on my mobile number 937-106-3682, and that is my WhatsApp number also, so you can connect me on that number. I repeat my number, 937-106-3682. And if you would like any more readings, or any of your friends, relatives, anybody wants personalized readings, I will definitely do that, because of I also do long distance readings via WhatsApp calls, and you can get all the details, my charges, everything when you contact me on WhatsApp. So it would be nice to contact with you once again, and thank you very much, Sonali, for giving me this opportunity to talk about tarot and of course do readings for everybody. It was a pleasure working with Skill Connect, and I hope we do more projects in future. Thank you.